So it's a beautiful day today. We're at the Chippewa Car Show, and there's probably a few hundred cars here today. We're going to try and highlight a few of the beautiful ones.
Congratulations, Ken.
Here we have a nice red 55
We have now
Chevy.
started the third round of 50-50, and it is the late ticket. So dig deep in those pockets. One ticket for $2, 3 tickets for $5. Dig deep in those pockets, and if you can't find $5 or $2,
Sitting beside 1967 Sox and Martin Belvedere.
Hey. And if you want a certain song request, I'm here. Just request it. If I have it, I will play it.
There's history.
This next song is the Bob Cutler with the Over the Hill Gang Bus.
And here we have another beautiful 1955 Bel Air. I always love these two-tone Chevys. Just gorgeous. And not to be outdone, very, very rare 55 Chevy two-door wagon.
Guy was a hairdresser.
And another beautiful black 57 two-door hardtop. How'd you like to have something like that in your garage?